Myself Rahul Kumar and I'm basically a full stack developer, and today I am going to teach you about the display properties. So let's start. Now as you can see that over here I've created one HTML file called demo.html, and I've created another file called demo.css file, and I have linked this CSS file with the HTML file by using link tag. And now you can see over here I have created one div with the class name as div1, and I have written like I love CSS in that div, and I provided the CSS property to this div class. So class will be denoted by dot div1, and I've given this as uh, background class as blue and display property. Let's remove the display property and let's see how it looks like. So you can see that this div is taking the entire area. So this is by default div is a block element, so it will take the entire space which is available. And now if we want to make, if we want, then we can make it look to take the space which is required by this content. So for that we can make display property as inline. So as you can see, let me save this file. Now as you can see, it is taking the space which is required by the content, so it is inline value. So now let's make it as display none. So it will remove this, it will hide this particular div from the DOM tree, so div will not be displayed in the browser. So as you can see, it is hidden. Now let's see the flex property of display. Now here I have declared one div as parent, and it has two child div, child1 and child2. As div is a block element, so it will be displayed uh, in one row and it will be displayed in another row. So uh, so let me show you. So it will be displayed like this. So blue color is called the parent div, so that is blue, that is parent div, and the child1 is of background yellow and child2 is of background pink. As div1, child1 and child2 are div, so these are block elements, so it is taking the entire available space, and CSS is also taking the entire available space. So this is by default block element. So if we want to make these two elements look side by side, means HTML and there should be CSS, then we can make use of flex property of display. So let's do it. Flex. Now if I made this display flex, then it will come side by side. So it is taking the space which is required, and it is also taking the space which is required by this text, and those are coming side by side though. So this is something called flex. So by default the flex direction is row, and we can make it as flex direction column as well. So let's make the flex direction as column, so both the child will come in one column. So you can see it's coming in column. So for now make it as row, and if we want to, if we want to make, if we want to make this this content at the center, then we have another property called justify content, and we can change the value of justify content at center. So this div will come at the center horizontally. So let's do it. Now it is coming at the center horizontally. So that's all for today.